contempt.
And me, I'm that nigga Lil Jon. Yeah! That's how we gonna put it down on y'all motherfucking pussy niggas. Alright, y'all know what time it is. It's time to point these motherfucking fuck niggas out. We gonna surround they pussy ass. And just tell me niggas like this.